In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice with Stripe. So first you want to come to the Stripe website and create an account if you haven't already. You may need to sign in at the top. Now once you're at your Stripe dashboard, what you want to do is come to the top right where you see the create button. It should be a purple circle. Go ahead and tap on that and click on where it says invoice. This is going to bring us to the invoice creation page. So I'm going to walk you through each step that you need to do in order to successfully create an invoice. So first we want to start with the customer. This is going to be the customer name. So for this example, I'm just going to say John Doe as an example. Then I'm going to click on where it says add John Doe. Then we're going to need to add in their email. So I'm just going to write in a random email like so. I'm going to click on where it says save. Now we can see their details successfully right here, and you can also see it updated in the Bill To section on the right hand side. So next we need to choose the currency. So for me, I live in the US. This is going to be US dollar. For the items, this is going to be the items or products that's taking place in this invoice. So if you already have an item, you can add it under this drop down, but I don't have an item, so I'm going to add a one-time item like so. And I'm just going to title this item. You can enter the quantity, so the amount of items that you want to put in this invoice. And you can also list the price as well. I'll just put $1 like so. And then I'm going to click on where it says save. So now we can see the item is updated inside of the invoice. We can see the quantity, unit price, and amount. And we can also see the total amount due at the bottom. So if we go ahead and add another item, which we could do, like we can click add item. We can say item 2. Click add item 2 as one-time item, and then let's say we want to make the price 3. We can go ahead and do that. Click on where it says save, and now it should show up, right under the original item we created, and we can see that we set it to $3, and now we can see that the total amount due is 4. Now you do have the option to collect tax automatically if you want to do that. You can also add tax manually as well. And under the payment collection, this is where we can either allow them to pay on a specific date, or we can automatically charge the customer by entering their card number into the input here. But we're going to go ahead and select the request payment, and we're going to set it to be due in 7 days, just as an example. And now you can see at the top that the date due is set to October 19th, 2024, which is 7 days from now. So that is all good to go. Under the delivery, we can select email invoice to customer or do not email customer. So you can choose whether or not they receive a copy in their email. You also can choose the branding settings if you want to add branding to your invoice as well. And you also have other additional options as well, like a template if you want a memo, footer, custom fields, or like a tax ID. And you can also choose the invoice page size as well. Now, if you're all ready to go, you can click on where it says send invoice at the top right. And that's going to automatically send that invoice to the email that you provided up at the top. So that is how you can create an invoice in Stripe. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.